We just got a new friend on the boat, and his name is Adam, and he is going with the boys on it'll be like a 5 to 7 day passage to Tonga, from Bora-Bora to Tonga. And me and my mom decided to skip out, and so we're going to California and Hawaii because we need to pick out some parts for the boat. But right now we're in Tahiti because our next flight is at 12.
Booking flight.
We just made it to California, and now we're trying to collect our bags and then go to our hotel, which is not too far away. We don't really know what we're doing for the rest of the day. Oh wow, the pool's huge, I didn't realize. So today's Sunday, and me and my mom weren't able to go to church because we were traveling, and so instead, I'm not old enough to go through, but we just came to our temple to walk around. Super pretty here with all the flowers and stuff. Today is Monday. We are going to go grab breakfast downstairs, and I have school from 8:30 to 10:30 just online with a teacher, and then we're just gonna see what there is to see here. So we didn't really realize how big it was, but we just got an NK part, which is, it's like as big as me. We're not really sure how we're gonna fly with it, but we'll figure it out. So my school just ended.
We're gonna go find lunch, and we're just gonna go see what there is to see. I don't know. It's gonna be great.
If we found and folded her card in 3 seconds, we'd just teach how we live. There'd be a big round of applause and a hat full of tips.
Oh, what the heck? How?
Thank you so much. That's my show.
Okay, so we just watched a little bit of the Masters of the Craft, I think is the name. We just watched, like, I think it was the last dish maybe, and then we watched them judge. And that was kind of cool, but we have no clue what we're doing today. So we're just gonna kind of hang out. We're off to Hawaii. We just got to Hawaii after a 6-hour flight from Los Angeles to here.
You tell them the big surprise?
Not yet.
Oh, not
That's
yet.
in a minute. My mom didn't tell me where we were staying until like last night on the airplane, and we're actually staying in a Disney resort thing in Hawaii.
Yeah, this place is awesome.
So fun. These are all pineapples for
The Dole Pineapple Plantation. About 8 long-term BYU and community members. They get together and they take this out and sail it around the Hawaiian Islands. And they do it in like the old navigational way that they used to. That's really, really cool. Oh, that little girl is so happy.
This is a tropical acai bowl, I think. We just went to dinner and now this is like our last night here, like full night. So I'm just gonna go head to bed. Me and my mom's flight, it leaves at midnight, but we have some errands to run while we're still in the US. We're checking out of the hotel here pretty soon, so we're gonna make our way to Honolulu. And it's a 7-hour flight to Fiji, except there's a, like, what's it called? International dateline. So we'll leave on Saturday at midnight. Even though we're just flying 7 hours, we're gonna get there Monday morning, which is really confusing. Oh yeah, and then I forgot, after Fiji, we're gonna fly, I think it's 2, maybe 3 hours to Tonga, and then that's just like the main city, and then we're gonna take a 1-hour flight to where my brothers and my dad end their passage. We just made a trip to Costco to get some beef jerky.
What the jerky's for?
Oh, we want to give away jerky to like locals and stuff.
Our American offering.
We're making our way towards the airport. So we just met up with some of our friends from Utah, and that was really fun. My mom made a complete surprise, so I didn't know at all.
What the heck?
Wait, what?
Wait a second. Who's that?
They flew to Hawaii to give us a part for the boat, for the autopilot, because that broke. And so we had dinner with them, and now our flight leaves at midnight, so we just got here. And yeah, we have 2 really big bags that are both really fragile. This is the one that they brought us. That's the one we got in California. So now we're in Tonga, and we spent the night at a hotel here, and we're at the cap city in Tonga, and the boys are sailing to Vavau, and we're gonna fly there after breakfast. This is our last flight until we get.
Wow, my family is back. It's Ruby!